Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Today we are back yet with another video. I'm gonna be doing a small little upgrade in my formal living room. I purchased this beautiful wall battery operated wall sconces in the color black and gold. They're just so beautiful. I love how it turned out in my formal living room. Guys, you can just do a little small change and that could bring such a big impact to your home. I will be linking the the wall sconces, in my description below. If you are interested, you can go over to Amazon and you can purchase them yourself. But they turn out wonderful and it was easy to install. I didn't need any help. So hopefully you like how they turn out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with a family or friend. Show your support, guys. I'm trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video. I hope you enjoyed this small little upgrade that I'm doing to the formal living room. There will be additional changes that I'll be making, but I'll let those things be a surprise, so you have to come back to the channel and see what changes I will be doing. So hopefully you enjoyed this small little upgrade with these new wall sconces that I've added to my formal living room. I am back, guys. As you can see, the light has different setting. You can do warm white, yellow. It has 3 different color setting, as you can see here. Also, you can bring the dimmer up or bring it down. Really functional. And you can remove it from the wall and charge it once the battery has gone dead, and you can put it back. Easy to install back on the wall.